How to add colors on background for logo in Canva for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Canva application and select a logo that you want to add colors on background. So as you can see, I've already selected a logo over here. Now as you can see, the background is completely white and there's no colors in it except for the logo. Now if you want to add colors on background, all you have to do is select on the image or the logo and then tap on the color option at the bottom. Now here you'll be able to see different colors that are available for your logo. Now you can select any of the colors, either black or gray or whichever color that you most wantly use it for your logo. I'm going to tap on this plus icon if you want different variations with the colors over here, and I'm going to make it on this one and then tap on the download option over here at the top and just tap on download and then select the file tab and download it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.